Have you ever found yourself puzzled by the quirks of English language? Ever wondered why it is I before E except after C? Or why read and let don't rhyme, but read and lead do? Hello everyone, welcome to our journey into the fascinating world of English with your favorite channel Educode. Are you a beginner, eager to perfect your language skills? A graduate refining your professional edge? A student aiming for academic excellence? Or a professional striving for flawless communication? You're in the right place. In our series, we dive into the most common pitfalls of English, those sneaky mistakes and confusing errors that can trip even the most diligent learners. Whether it is a spoken slip-up or a written wobble, we have got you covered. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening adventure to master the nuances of English and turn those mistakes into milestones of your language learning journey. Usually, such a complete and comprehensive course needs thousands of dollars. And what is so special about this series of lectures that makes it must to follow, watch, listen and learn because it is going to be totally free. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more language fun. Let us make English learning a joyous journey with your favorite channel Educode.